Hello everyone. I welcome you all in a virtual classes program of JetKids International School. School at home. Class 6 subject computer and I am your computer teacher JM Khan. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is editing in words, and today's topic will be features of word. Different features that we are going to use in word. Okay. So let us start. First, what is mean by word? Word is a software, okay, a type software of Microsoft Office 2013. Okay, 2013 is a version. Sorry. So we are going to use Microsoft Office 2013. 2013 is a version, latest version. Now latest is 2016, but 2013, okay, we are going to use according to our syllabus. Word is a type of word processing application software. Okay, you can see different things over here. First we have Word, okay, in which we will deal with editing of word, text, writing letter, typing letters and all. Then Excel, then PowerPoint. You know PowerPoint, PPT, in which we make PPT, Outlook for storing our mails, and OneNote, Publisher, and Access. Okay, today we are going to discuss on a part Word only. Okay, not Excel, in which we make data sheets and all. Okay, balance sheets and all. Okay, today only we are going to discuss Word, MS Office Word 2013, and we are going to see the different features of Word. Okay, so it is word processing application, that means typing text, used for typing text and editing the text. Okay, but there are many application software like word processors, such as Word. It is already given in book, such as WordPad, Notepad, PageMaker, etc. But MS Word is the most popular one. Okay, to edit, for editing and for making something innovative and creative in text format. Okay, so next is, let us start with feature of word. The first feature of word is what? The first feature is, it is already given on page number 35. We are just explaining to it. Okay, we can change the existing text. Okay, so as you can see over here, the given text is already written. Editing text, Microsoft Office, it is 2007 given, but it is 2013. Okay, so you can change it by selecting it. This is selected text, or you can erase it by backspace. You know the backspace key on your keyboard. You can erase it and you can edit it. Clear? So this is the first feature, is you can edit the or change the existing text. You can change, it is not permanent, which is written over here. Introduction, you can see introduction, and multiple things are given here, written over here. You can change it. It is not permanent, it is changeable. Okay, you can change it. So this is the main feature. Once you write in a book, so you need so you cannot erase it if you have written with a pen. Okay, I'm not telling about pencil. So pen, and with if you use whitener, so it is not that much efficient. But here you can erase without any difficulty. You can change without any difficulty. You can clear your mistakes without any difficulty in Word. Okay, that's why it is the most popular version. Next is, we can count the number of words in a document. Okay, how much words you have written. For example, you have written essay. Okay, an essay you have written on any topic. So if you want to count a word, that how much word I can write on a particular essay, so you can easily count with the help of this feature of word. See here, it is given already in a ribbon that word count. So you can count word from here, right? So that will be more easy without making 1 2 3. All the things will be ready on the one click only in Word. Multiple such features we have in Word that we are going to look right now. Okay, next feature is alignment. Okay, here is some, you can see I am just zooming it, right? Here you can see the references, and in a home ribbon below references, right here, this is the alignment. Okay, where you can align, this is left alignment, this is middle alignment here. Okay, all the text will be at middle, all the text will be aligning from left, all the text will be aligning from left if you click here. Okay, so you can do it. Clear? So how it will be aligned? Like this only, in a one line. See, you can see the paragraph is already aligning over here. This is the paragraph which is aligning to the left. Okay, so this is how you can do it. Okay, first it was at middle, and then it is clearly aligned right now. Okay, one two, this is alignment to the left. Clear? Okay, next feature, after alignment, let us move toward next feature, that is next feature is creative font size. Okay, creative font, or you can make attractive text. Fonts means text. Okay, so here you can see something, you can change the color from here of text. First select and then change color, uppercase later. This is x2 and x square is the formatting. Okay, we will discuss it later. Formatting, this B stands for bold, this I stands for inclined word, this U stands for underline, this caliber body. Okay, Calibri body is font name. Okay, you can change it. And this is a font size 13.5. you can see this is a font size, and this A is for uppercase and lowercase, different thing, multiple things you can do to make your text attractive in a word. Clear? Hope this is clear. This is a small introduction of features. Okay, we have very vast features in this. Okay, see, next thing, we can insert a picture in it. You can see over here the picture, digital picture is given over here, right? I'm highlighting it. So you can insert picture in your document to make it more efficient for the next person, for your client, for any purpose. You can use pictures, chart, tables. Okay, to make it more understandable and more efficient. Okay, that is the most important thing of our word 13. Clear? That is the most important feature, that you can insert multiple things like picture, clip arts, any image, any table, any pie chart. Okay, you have seen multiple times that pie chart is already given like this. Okay, that this much sales, this much profit, this much loss. Okay, this is also this thing also you can do in your word. Okay, next thing, that is, you can copy and move the text. You can copy this text and move somewhere else. Okay, or last but not the least, for our today's topic, that you can see how we are going to print, how this whole page we are going to print on a page. That means print preview. You can see the print preview. This is the print preview. You can see that this is how your text will see after printing on hard copy on paper. So you can also see the printing preview. Clear? So this was our few features of our word for our syllabus. For more and later and next videos we will definitely discuss few important features and different types how to work and how to edit in Word. Okay, till then stay safe and thank you so much.